Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss some basics calculation for physics. This will help you, especially in numericals. In chapter number 1, that is gravitation, and in chapter number 10, that is space mission. In these chapters, this calculation will help you. So here we are going to discuss scientific notation. So here I will take some examples. Suppose this is a number. You have to write this number into scientific notation. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to do this decimal. You have to move this decimal from here to here. It means after one digit. So I will tell you how you have to do. This will be equal to, write the number 4.237545 into 10 raised to 10. Now you have to count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. It means you have to add plus 4. It means if you shift a decimal from right hand side to left hand side, then you have to add. If you here you have shifted 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, then you have to add plus 4. It means that this number will be equal to 4.237545 into 10 raised to 14. This number is in scientific notation. Here I will take some more examples. Example number 2. I am taking a number 0.0007524 into 10 raised to 15. Here I have taken one number. What you have to do? You have to write this number into scientific notation. Then in scientific notation, decimal should be after one digit. It means that you have to move this decimal from here to here. Then this will be equal to 7.524 into 10 raised to 15. Now you are shifting this decimal from left hand side to right hand side. Then you have to do subtraction. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. It means that you have to do minus 4. This number will be equal to 7.524 into 10 raised to 11. Now this number is in scientific notation. Actually, whenever you will do the calculation, especially in lesson number 1, that is gravitation, and lesson number 10, Space Mission. In that chapter, you will get all the answer in scientific notation. So that's why I am telling you how to write a number in scientific notation. Okay, here I am taking some more examples. Example number 3. I'm taking one number 9, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5.75 into 10 raised to minus 20. You have to write this number into scientific notation. It means ki in scientific notation, point should be after one digit. It means ki you have to shift this point from here to here. Then this will be equal to 9.2374575 into 10 raised to minus 20. Since you have shifted from right hand side to left hand side, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means ki you have to add plus 5 plus 5. It means that this number will be equal to 9.2374575 into 10 raised to minus 20 plus 5. That will be equal to minus 15. Now this number is in scientific notation. Actually this number, this and this both are same. But this number is not in scientific notation and this number is in scientific notation. Okay, one more example number 4. I am taking one number 75295. This is a number. You have to write this number into scientific notation. Now see, in this number, decimal, here is a decimal, here is the decimal. Then we will write is equal to, it means ki you have to shift decimal from here to here. It means ki here to here. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 7.5295. See, here 10 raised to power is not there. It means ki here is 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0. It means 10 raised to 0. It means 1. It means into 10 raised to 0 plus 4. This will be equal to 7.5295 into 10 raised to 4. Now this number is in scientific notation. One more examples. Example number 5. I am taking one number 0.000425. Here is one number. You have to write this number into scientific notation. So what you will do? First of all, this decimal should be here after one digit. from left side. This will be equal to 4.25 into 10 raised to, here nothing is there, it means ki here into 10 raised to 0. You can write here 10 raised to 0. Then 0. You are shifting from left hand side to right hand side. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. It means minus 4. 0 minus 4. This will be equal to 4.25 into 10 raised to minus 4. This number is in scientific notation. It means this number and this number both are same, but this is in scientific notation.